Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First, we need to turn on our watch. To do it, you can press and hold the select button and keep holding it until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen. Once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Now find the language you would like to use on your watch, and then you can select it by tapping on it. And after you select the language, you will see the QR code on the screen. And this means we need to download and install Zepp application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Then open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon. Then tap on search bar and type in Zepp. And then tap on search. Scroll through the list of applications, find the Zepp application and tap on it to select it. And then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. After the application opens, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. As you can see, here we have the pop-up about the location permission, and you can allow it or deny it. I'm gonna allow it, but if you want, you can also deny it, like I said. Next, we have Bluetooth one, and this one is required, so allow it by tapping on OK. Then we have the permission to track the activity across other companies. You can allow it if you want. I'm just gonna deny it by tapping on Ask Not To. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the login page. If you have an account, simply log in. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Sign Up or use the third-party account to log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address. And then tap right here and enter the password. So give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done entering the credentials, you can tap on Sign In. And after you log in, you will see a couple more pop-ups about the permissions. Here we have the permission to access the motion and fitness activity. You can allow it or deny it. If you want to use features like fitness tracking, heart rate and stuff like that, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Next we have the notification permission. This permission is required if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm gonna allow it. And then you have this option right here, access to Apple Health. Tap on OK, and here you can allow it or deny it. Basically, it allows the app to write different types of data like heart rate, sleep, steps, and read different types of data like heart rate, sleep, steps, and stuff like that. And you can allow it or deny it according to your preferences. You can enable them or disable them. I'm gonna tap on Turn on All to enable all of them, and tap on Allow to allow them, but you can tap on Don't Allow to deny them. Basically, you can set it to your liking, and then you can proceed. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the home page of the application. Once you see the home page, tap on Profile, then tap on Add Device, and here select the watch. Tap on Agree, tap on OK. This will open the camera app, wake up the screen on your watch, and basically point your phone's camera on the QR code on your watch to scan the code. And once you scan the code, it will start connecting the watch with your phone. Tap on the check mark to confirm. Tap on Pair. Again, you can allow or deny the permission for the notifications. I'm gonna allow it. And here we can restore some reminders if you want to. I'm gonna tap on Don't Restore, but if you like to, you can also restore them. Then tap on Done. Here we have the tutorial how to use the watch. I'm just gonna tap on Done to skip it. And this should bring you to the device page for your AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro. Wait until the HGPS is done updating. And once it's done, you should see the battery percentage, and also you should have access to the device page for your watch. And your watch should be ready to use. Basically, you can wake up the screen on it and you can use it. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.